it's Linda. Today I'm gonna do a highly requested video. Actually, I'm gonna do a no foundation video, and I'm gonna use our new FantaSticks as both blush and lipstick. So I just want to show you how simple this can be, and that especially now for summertime, maybe you don't want foundation and also want to add some SPF to your face. So just keep watching. So I'm gonna start with some Blossom oil for some extra moisture on my face, because I want this look to be dewy and glowy and very, very fresh. And then I'm going to continue with the concealing part. I'm not going to use foundation on this look, but I'm going to use concealer. So I am currently using the Emite Conceal and Correct, and I'm going to use the yellow part to cover up some blemishes and redness on my face. I think I covered the redness pretty good. So next step is brows. For brows, I'm using the Infinity palette, and I'm using shade Fornax, that is almost black. I'm just gonna go through this really quick, and then we come to the fun part later. And if you really want to see a brow tutorial, I can just link it down below, because I have a very similar to this one. So basically what I'm going to do now is to make freckles, because when I do my no foundation looks, I usually do freckles because my skin is not really even, like never. It's always a little bit red. My nose is a little bit red, and I have spots here and there, and so I like to have freckles. I'm, either or. Either I want like a very, very smooth and like a foundation face, or I want like a super, super freckly face. So I'm gonna use Fornax from the Infinity palette to create freckles. And my little tip is, if you have spots or pimples, just cover them and pretend that they are freckles. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm also gonna draw freckles on my neck, and also a little bit on my shoulders to make it more realistic. But I think I am almost done with the freckles, and then comes the fun part, because I am gonna use our new FantaSticks on my cheeks as a cream blush and also on my lips. So I'm thinking of using Goldtstone. That is a very nice pinkish tone that goes with everything. This is like the perfect shade you can just, do on the run. So I'm just gonna do it on my cheeks, like a little bit, and on my lips as well. And then I'm gonna top it off with some mascara. And I really love the fact that you can combine these both as a lipstick and as a cream blush, because cream blush kind of disappeared a bit, I think, because it's harder to get a cream blush now than just 5 years ago. So I really miss all the cream blushes, and I think it's easier to just, you can still just dab it on like this, but I think you have more control if you just, dab it on like this with your finger. And these have SPF 15, and they are vegan. Look at this glow. And this is perfect for people with dry skin, fine lines. And if you don't like powder products, I prefer both, actually. I would say I've been more into powder products, but when I do makeup on photo shoots and stuff, I always use cream blush and cream products overall, because it looks so much, it's easier to work with and it looks so fresh on camera. And then we're gonna go for lips. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the same. They are so shiny, so comfortable, so moisturizing. And I mean, you can wear them in the sun and still make sure that your lips are protected from the sun. And I don't really feel like I need any contour or highlight, because the shine this provides kind of gives the highlight that I want. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more blossom oil on my brow bone, just to create a little bit of shine, and also just a little bit more right on the top of my cheekbones for even more glow. Alright guys, so the look is actually done. As you saw, I didn't use many products, and I really love the result of a no foundation face, because it looks really fresh, and together with the this rosy feeling you get from the FantaStick, and this was color Goldtstone. I used it on both my lips and my cheeks just to get this rosy, nice feeling, and I love, love, love the glow you get from it. And also the SPF, of course. I just love SPF, and I wouldn't go outside in the sun without it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click like. And I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!